A warm welcome to one and all present here at the official launch of the Cyclothon 2021, hosted by Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan and partnered by Site Care Cancer Hospital, Bangalore. I'm personally been encouraged to see most of them present here, especially the parents, the students, as well as the other participants who are coming from different various regions. I'm so happy to see each one of you all present here for this particular event to make it a positive one.
Please warm up your body, otherwise you guys will end up hurting your muscles and you'll have muscle spasm and all. So you all are ready? Can I get a hoot or some thumbs up, some signal? Okay, that's one.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you all here after a very long time. On behalf of management and behalf of Nagarjuna family, I welcome all of you here and take part and feel very happy. Not only this is start and many more programs ahead. So I hope you all join us. Know your responsibility for future country. All of you, I once again welcome all of you, and I take this opportunity to thank the Site Care to partner with us.
A very sunny morning, Madhuri. So what is the purpose of organizing the cyclothon when you have tied up with the the cancer patient, and Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan. Can you just brief us about this?
Yeah, sure. It's a multi-purpose program, I can say. This winter morning, we had a nice ride in the cycle along with the students, and the main cause was fight for cancer. Really, it is the burning issue, I can say. We have to create an awareness among people. So we have done this program. It was a really fantastic experience.
So, being a faculty member and joining with the children, it was a new experience, right? So, how did you plan for this for today's morning?
Yeah, really, when program was announced, I was eagerly waiting to participate because all these days we were teaching online. Really, today I had a very nice time. I met most of the students and I ride cycle with them. It was a wonderful experience.
A very sportive morning to all. Say hi. So, you had cycling today morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Very energetic.
Yes, ma'am. It was a very great experience to go cycling along with my friends for long distance.
So, would you like your school to plan such programs many more?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Naman, can you just share what experience you had in the morning when you went for cycling?
Cycling was fun. I hoped it would be a longer distance because it was kind of short. I thank all the traffic police that was, blocking the road when we were turning, and it was a great experience. And I felt sorry for the people who fell off their cycles.
Happy morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. We are so happy that our parents are cooperated and you are there here with full enthu along with your child. So, how was your experience today, sir?
Madam, first of all, I would like to thank the school Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan and followed by the site care hospitals. In fact, it is very much encouraging for the students where even my kid who is of second class, Mr. Shravana, okay, he is very much with interest, he has, with enthu he has come. I had seen across the complete show, that is throughout the ride, many people with, josh and, with patience and all, with putting so much effort till the end of the trip, they are able to just, finalize the thing and make it very successful. And there is no failures across. You can see each and every kid has participated really good way. First of all, it is the appreciation for not only for the parents, even for the management, even for the external agencies who are coming and just making this show happening, and it is very successful event actually, I can say that.
And in such a pandemic time, all of them had a break, nice break, again getting back together. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we have one more parent of our school who are very happy and they want to share about today's event. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Actually, we are happy and we are getting that enthusiasm from the kids. Sunday morning, we thought they won't be interested, but they are so much interested to come back to school. So, and we are happy about NVN. They are making it. I think every year this will be happening, and we'll be surely be in the part of it. Thank you.
Good morning, all. Actually, I'm being a parent. I'm so happy that they are, more than the kids, we are so excited that they are going out of the house after almost 10 months. Yeah. So it was like, Harivansh was more interested in cycling and he was like, Mama, when? From 4:30, he's like, Mama, are we going?
So
Longing for the ride, and it was a good experience for the kids. And he's ready for one more event. Okay. Thanks for NVN and Site Care Management.
Not at all out of this online classes. We enjoyed it well and it is really awesome.
Really, ma'am, we save the pollution, we save the petrol, and even we have lot of spirit when we going on the road. Really, it was very nice.
It's a wonderful experience, basically. After sitting at home, fine, you're cycling, you're burning your calories. That's a fantastic thing. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Fighting for the cancer is the right way. So how much this purpose was fulfilled for today?
Yeah, first and foremost thing is it's a wonderful platform provided by the school management and the Site Care. We are fighting for a cause that serves the purpose actually. And this is an eco-friendly event which has a multi-dimensional act, and where we are serving the nation. Just a small step towards stepping towards the nation's progress. That's what I can say. And we have been following SMS, that means social distancing, mask, and sanitizing our hands.
Yes, would you share a few words, ma'am?
It was wonderful after a long time, after the COVID situation, gathering all the children and teachers together, management together. So it was wonderful, without stopping, just riding the bikes and have fun with children for a good cause. It was wonderful, and I think it should be, these things. Yeah, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I think many have rejuvenated their energy sitting at home all the days, and just they were finding out the reason to come out. And I think this is the right reason where they have got a chance to come out and have a exposure. So, looking forward for such programs. Thank you.
Yes, happy sportive team. Yes, you all made it up. Yes, superb. So, how was the experience with the kids and parents, enthusiastic parents, teachers?
Fantastic experience with the kids. Enjoyed a lot. Yeah.
Built energy.
Safe petrol for the nation.
So, we should specially thank our organizer, Rakesh, Mr. Rakesh. How was it? 3 cheers to Rakesh and his team. Wonderful day we had, a Sunday, a break from the online classes. So now let us ask Rakesh, please share a few words.
This was a fantastic, and we got a complete support by our all faculty members and sidekick people also. So this event, really we did not expected that this cycling will happen so good enough. So we'll see that coming events. That is what we are expecting.
Surely we'll be expecting many more such programs from that. So we from bottom of our heart, we thank our management, principal madam, and all the teams from teachers and the enthusiastic parents and students. Oh! Hi!
So ma'am, tell us what is the purpose of this event?
So we are from Sidecare Cancer Hospitals, and we are co-partnering with Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan for the cyclothon. The whole purpose of this event was to spread awareness, because cancer is curable if detected early.
So we keep on spreading awareness through various schools and colleges. So we actually pick up schools which are nearby our hospital place, which is in Yelahanka. The reason behind doing such kind of events with schools is because kids are the best medium to spread awareness. So we have activated other schools also on this purpose. We do keep on doing a lot of awareness talks. We keep on doing awareness activities around childhood cancer. We also are associated with an NGO which supports cancer treatment. So we do this kind of activities and do collect funds for treatment of cancer patients as well. So there is the whole idea behind organizing this kind of event.
So sir, how was your experience in cyclothon?
It's actually cycling is a very good way. Like we'll keep ourselves healthy, and we'll build our stamina. So that is the one way where cycle is the only medium where we can improve ourselves. So due to that, that is a very good experience. So that is the only way to be in a cyclothon.
So Mr. Rakesh, how was your experience working with Sidecare, and why Sidecare mainly?
This experience was really fantastic. I need to thank to Sheetal and their team. They're done with a very fantastic job. And Mr. Srinivas, even he has done a great teamwork. We have a proper coordinations, and this cyclothon went really a smooth way without any getting a disturbance, without any problem with the traffic, nothing. So that was really, I'm very much happy, and our team member also very much happy. Thank you so much for this wonderful event. So let us come up with a new event also in the further future. We'll have that same team. Yes, thank you so much.
So I would request all of you to actually understand what cancer is, read about it. If you need, we are always available. You can contact us at our hospital, which is in Baglur Cross, Yelahanka. So you can always contact us for any query on cancer. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank Nagarjuna Vidyaniketan. We also thank the local city, the cops, who have actually helped us, the traffic and the law and order side, who have helped us organize this event. And thankful to the MLA who actually consented. He was supposed to come here, but he couldn't make it. But at least he was there in spirit with us. Thank you so much for everyone who actually participated, the parents who encouraged their kids, and the kids who woke up so early. I think that is first, in a healthy lifestyle. Waking up early and starting your day is very important. Thank you very much to everybody who are part of this. Thank you.
Thank you.